friends, this is one of the powerful video and very fast for your learning, because we are gonna learn today shortcuts. Shortcuts are very powerful for our work to do fast. So let's learn smartly. Our first shortcut is Control A. With the help of Control A, you can select your whole data, and then there is Control B. Control B means you can do your bold. For example, if we have select this and press Control B, now you can see our data is bold. Now what if I want these names this side? So I'll do it copy. Now our third shortcut is Control C. Just select that data and Control C and come where you want, and then press Control V. This is fourth for pasting the data. And fifth shortcut is Control Shift right arrow. Now your whole row which contains the data will be selected. And then sixth is Control Shift down arrow. It will select your down data which contains the data. And then there is Control F, where you can find your word or find your cell. For example, if I click on Control F, and now I'm gonna write the name, and then your cursor will be there. Now you can see this is over there. Okay, so write this way. And now our next shortcut is Control Shift L, which gives the filter. Control Shift L. Now you can see this is filter data. Like this way, you can do your filter data. Okay. Our next shortcut is Control Z for undo. And now we have shortcut Control Y for redo. And now we have